Today, I am going to talk about the relationship between UX design and design thinking. So let's get started. Let's first understand what UX design is. UX design is a process of creating experiences which are effective, efficient, easy, and enjoyable. If you want to learn more about UX design, you can watch this video where I've explained UX design in detail. So the definition says that UX design is a process. But have you ever wondered what this process is and who defined this process? Well, the answer is we can use design thinking as the process. I hope it is making sense. So UX design is a process and design thinking is that process. Now you might be thinking what this design thinking is and how we can use it as a process for UX design. Well, the remaining part of the video will talk only about this. Design thinking is a human-centric problem-solving framework which emphasizes on understanding the user needs, their goals and motivations to create solutions that are not just functional but also desirable. Design thinking can be used to solve problems as big as climate change and as small as what color to use in your UI button. Because of this flexibility, design thinking is one of the most commonly used design frameworks. It is a 5-stage process which starts with stage 1, empathizing, stage 2, define, stage 3, ideate, stage 4, prototype, and stage 5, testing. One of the most important things about UX design is that it is highly iterative, which means the process is not like a straight line process where you start with stage 1 first, then you move to stage 2 and then to stage 3 and stage 4, etc. In design thinking, you might have to jump back and forth between the stages as per the user feedbacks. Now let's understand each of these stages in detail. Stage 1, empathize. This step is all about empathizing with your user, understanding their pain point, goals, motivations, and behavior. Some of the most commonly used methods in this stage are user interview, surveys, contextual inquiries, and usability testing. Basically, the core idea here is to understand the unsaid needs of the users. Stage 2, define. Based on the research you have done on stage 1, you will now have to draft a problem statement. It sounds simple, right? Just drafting a problem statement? Not a big deal, right? But let me warn you, understanding human behavior is difficult. What we say and what we do are two different things, and therefore we will need to precisely understand the unsaid needs of the user and accordingly draft the problem statement. Stage 3, ideate. Once you have drafted the problem statement, the next step is to ideate solution for the problem. The focus is on generating as many ideas as possible and choosing the best 2 to 3 ideas to take forward for prototyping. Some of the commonly used methods are brainstorming sessions, crazy 8 and dot votings. Stage 4, prototype. By now, you will have 2 to 3 ideas as a solution for the problem. In this step, you will create quick and rough models of the solution. These rough models can be anything from sketches to paper prototype to basic digital wireframe. The goal is to quickly create a prototype of the ideas and validate those ideas with the users to get early feedback and iterate for the better version of the ideas and finally creating the outcome which can be delivered to the user. Stage 5, testing. The last stage of the process is to test the prototype created in step 4. This stage involves showing your prototype to real users and getting their feedbacks. Observe how they interact with the prototype and identify any issues and areas of improvement. In this video, which is a part of my paid course and is now freely available on my channel, I've explained design thinking and other design frameworks in detail with example. Now go and watch that and I'll see you next time.